Hey, everybody, and welcome to the Email Marketing 101 mini-series, Module 1. I'm your host, Christian Davis, and we're going to cover the power of email marketing today. But first, who am I? I'm a full-stack email marketer, which means I know how to do the writing, set up the emails, and know the high-level strategy of email marketing. I specialize in working with 7 to 9 figure clients, helping them scale their businesses through strategic, high converting sales copy and email marketing tech strategy. So here's a picture of me and before. This is like before I quit my job, at my job, and at my job. And now I'm a full stack email marketer full time. Now, first, let's talk about how email marketing isn't going anywhere. Sending emails is very cheap. All businesses need to do is pay for their email service provider. Email is a preferred communication channel for many businesses, so email isn't going anywhere. Email is especially huge in the B2B world as it accounts for the most prominent form of communication of 73 businesses, according to the site Seeker. According to Marketing Sherpa, 60% of consumers prefer to receive promotional messages and updates via email, compared to 20% who prefer social media and 17% who prefer text messaging. A HubSpot survey states that 91% of consumers use email. And basically, email marketing can persuade purchasing decisions even to this day. According to Porsche Group Media, email marketing persuades the purchasing decisions of nearly 6 out of 10 email subscribers. At least once per month, 50.7% buy something from email marketing. Email marketing can increase brand awareness as well. Basically, it does this by keeping your brand at the top of the mind of your customers and prospects who have shown interest in your business by providing their email address. Also, email marketing can generate traffic to your website. Emails can drive significant traffic to websites by including compelling calls to action and links to relevant content, leading to increased lead generation and conversions. Email marketing has a very high return on investment, aka ROI. Today, email marketing has the potential to increase business revenue by 760%, and many have seen returns of investment up to 4,400%. So email marketing isn't going anywhere. And also, it's very cheap to send emails. Like all you have to do is pay your email service provider once a month, and then boom, you're allowed to send emails, and it's very cheap. So here's an example of what some businesses can make from email marketing. And these are some results that I've done for my clients. Basically, this is all email generated profit. Our best month last year was 1.7 mil at the time of recording. And then also $1 million was generated in 12 hours, guys. And the bill they're paying for their email service provider, like meaning where they send the emails, was very low. So this was like almost free money. Also, we just ran a promo where $822.95 thousand was collected from one email promo. And then it ascended into a higher ticket offer for $619K. Like pretty crazy stuff. Also, I took a client from $14,000 a month to $313,000, all through email marketing alone. So this is very simple and easy to do if you know what you're doing. So here's how you basically go from freelance to agency owner. You can easily get small or local businesses to be your client for $500 to $1,000 a month. I recommend having 5 clients at a time, and you'll be making 2.5K to 5K a month. When you get better at email marketing, you can charge up to 2K, 3K, 5K, or even 7K per month per client. But it's better to start smaller and grow from there. As a one-man show, you can make up to 25K a month when you become more advanced. And if you hire a team, then you can make way more. And at the time of this recording, I'm definitely making more than that. So it's possible. And I'm just letting you guys know you can do this too. So that's the conclusion of Module 1 of the Email Marketing Mini-Series. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Peace.